We will now take a look at the dialog platform provided by SharePoint 2010. Now, as I create a new page, here's a great example of a very simple dialog. It's actually an HTML div that exists in the page, but only becomes visible when I need it. Notice that the rest of the page is disabled while the div is being displayed, so it effectively works like a modal dialog, even though it's not a traditional Internet Explorer dialog per se. So let's save our new page and we'll use that in the next demo. Let's have a look at some of the built-in dialogs for now. We'll go to Shared Documents, and when I click Add New Document, again here is a new dialog provided by the dialog platform. It has a file uploader component, so I can use that to browse to and upload a file. So let's go and find a suitable file. Here we have a file, and this dialog is capable of posting a file up to the server. Also, the metadata entry form is a dialog as well, so we can provide the title for this new file in the document library. Let's take a look at the task dialog for adding a new item. This is significantly more complex. It has a nice ribbon control and it has some text boxes, as you might expect, with buttons and so forth. We can click Save, and we have the ability to save items to the tasks library from this, effectively from this client-side HTML div. And if I edit the item, again we have the edit dialog appears, which is similar to the new dialog, but this one has been loaded with our existing data. This has the date-time control picker on it, so that's a fairly sophisticated dialog, and you can build all of these types yourself, and we will see how to do that in the next demo. Let's go back to the Shared Documents library, and this time let's have a look at a really sophisticated dialog. I have the ability to drag and drop files from Windows Explorer into this dialog, or I can click and select multiple files. Let's go and find some documents that we want to upload to a library. Let's grab these documents, and notice how the UI updates in a very sophisticated manner. We have some status as well, and we have a progress bar, so it's a really sophisticated dialog. And as I say, you can build all of these yourself, and we'll see how to do that in the next demo.